we experiment the game of the football.
With the basketball.
No touching anything. No items touching anything.
Like this.
Okay, that's 4. Let's juggle. Okay. Now we are playing
Wait
playing no touching anything.
Just wait.
Bye. No touching anything, bro. No! Oh, that's so close. That's so close, bro.
And we touch the chair.
Yes, we touch the chair.
Again. Okay, we're trying to
That is the practice, bro. That is a practice.
Now we're trying 100 seconds. You
Okay.
count.
10 seconds. Take 10 seconds to practicing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, guys, this is the tournament.
Now 30 seconds.
No touching anything in 30 seconds.
Go. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11.
12.
Oh,
We lose.
We lose, bro.
Again.
Somebody gonna subscribe on this channel and like and subscribe now. And I'm gonna give Robux to anyone will subscribe. Wait, just wait, bro. Just wait. Hey guys, we are back, and can you please watch the video on our account?
Now let me try juggles.
We're gonna okay.
Just do.
I'm gonna give Robux to anyone will subscribe. We are juggling. 1, 2, 3. I got 3, bro.
What was that?
I got 3.
Heather. Now let me try 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that's 4.
And let me try a
Okay.
header to him.
No touching anything, bro.
Okay.
Count us in 30 seconds. Or basta hindi yung basta hindi yung pag-count ha. Kami na makam.
1,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5,
6, 7,
8,
9, 10, 11, 12,
13,
14, 15, 16, 17,
18,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, we win 1 round. This is gonna be hard, bro.
Try to beat us.
Try to beat us. And we guys back. Hello. Hello. My name is Justin Caimo Fuentes. Like and subscribe if you want Robux.